Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma launched the integrated web portal of the Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission today. Under the portal, 86 services have already been notified across 26 departments, including 72 notified services online and 14 offline. In addition, 188 online services are yet to be notified. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the government is taking several steps to ensure that the concept of citizen-centric governance is set up in all the departments. Terming the move as revolutionary, Sangma asked the authorities to ensure that the 188 online services which are yet to be notified to be activated in 4 to 6 months.
This web portal being launched today is actually creating and making every mobile, every iPad, every computer into a service center. That's the whole idea. But let us see how things progress. Let us see how the work happens and the utilities there. And based on the situation, we will further examine. But as I said, this step today is to actually make every mobile a service center.